Hi, Jeanette and Phil here from Wend Your Way. So we left you last time as we pulled into that parking place on the mountains, on the, is it the 520, I think that, and we were overlooking that lake. It was a lovely place to stop for lunch, and we carry on the journey north as we go towards Trondheim. And we're going up that west coast still, so we're going in and out. We're trying to give you the road signs just in case anybody wants to do that trip. But at the end of all this, I think we might put together something where we show how the maps, which route we took on the map. So that's something to look out for later on. So in this episode we go over a couple of mountain passes. We pass an ice field, which I think that's on the 55. We go past, this is the episode with all the waterfalls in it really. We go past famous ones like Latfoss, I think it is, it's written on the screen anyway. We go behind some waterfalls, so if you've never walked behind a waterfall, keep watching. We go past the cherry plantations. Oh, beautiful cherries. They're grown in such fresh air. It's they just oozed fresh air, didn't they, these cherries?
But we forgot to video the cherries.
Yeah, I forgot to video the cherries themselves. I videoed the cherry plantation.
One of them.
Yeah, eventually when we got through the village that had one, yeah. And what else? We went through...
We had a bit of a rocky ride on a ferry.
Oh gosh, that ferry that pulled in. Oh, I don't know how that woman stayed standing up.
Well, you'll find out.
Anyway, we'll see that. So yeah, and then all those little single track roads. Oh, just one funny story. When we left Yondel, that I kept calling Jondel, one of the guys that we were parked up next to there at the harbour, he decided he was going back home. To Spain. He couldn't cope with all the little roads. But we absolutely love the little roads because people are so kind and so friendly, and you know, they just pull in for you, and there's plenty of pulling in places, and if you take it steady it's really nice and you see so much more beautiful scenery. So come with us and enjoy the journey. So we've just stopped here for lunch. There's a 360. Just marvellous. So these are the magnificent waterfalls. So are these ski chalets then?
Looks like the couple.
So this is Rodal. So we're going up a valley. Drive 17 kilometres. Well, I don't know whether you...
Yeah, there's a ski lift there.
Oh yeah, ski lift. Yeah, there's a nice waterfall up there. Another one up there. So this is Upneth. We've just had a little ferry which was free. What was it?
First day it's been free.
First day it's been free, that's not like us, is it? And for anybody, any ferries that are less than how many vehicles?
100,000 a year.
Right. And we've come from Kinsarvik, which That's the other side of that big lake that we followed up, which looks like it's hard to read it. I can't actually read it. Ooh, oh, that's a bit bollocky, isn't it? Oh, well, that's one way of landing it. That's one way of landing it. Because I'm sick as we're pulling. You're alright, Mickey. And then we just need to drive down to Harand and Jondal, which is where we're spending the night tonight. Whoa! As smooth as a bloody bull in a china shop, I would say. So we're on the last stretch of our journey. We've been driving all day. Mainly because we've been on these single track lanes, it's made it a very slow journey. But it's just been so beautiful, it's almost exhausting looking at so much wonder. So the reason for filming along this way, these little villages are just gorgeous. But they grow cherries along here, so we've just stopped to buy some at the side of the road. So I thought I'll get my camera ready for the next village. And the next village is not selling cherries, Philip.
No,
It's
it's like they've
typical.
got plastic pipes.
It's not the nicest of villages at all. So I'm going to have to switch off and hopefully find a nice
Cherry village.
cherry village in a minute. Alright, what's happened to the road here? Collapsed. It has. Oh, that's nice. Bit of a wiggly road, look. So kind, aren't they?
Well, it's just these little things like sticking out. So it's like cherries.
Cherry trees. Yeah. All over the place. Everybody's got a cherry tree. Nobody's selling outside the road though.
Wash service centre.
Garage. A what?
Wash service centre.
Wash service. Oh,
Wash.
Bosch. Yeah.
Take the next right, then arrive at destination on the left.
Oh, is this it? Down this little road. Oh. Oh, is this where we're staying at the ferry thing?
You arrive at destination on the left after 160 meters.
Keep your fingers crossed. Keep your fingers crossed. Yay, the crazy wants to squeeze in there. That's what true heroes are. Just filling up with water. Which is not the heroic deed, but when you look at the weather, and nice and dry inside, there's no point to us getting it. So this morning I'm going to go and catch the ferry off to towards Bergen, but we're not actually going to Bergen. We've decided we're going to cut that place out. Too much like hard work, isn't it, Mickey? Trying to get into towns and today's ferry is just pulling in, but neither of us can remember where it's going to. We're basically leaving Yonder, which is
Going to-
J-O-N-D-A-L.
It's going to Torvik by
And this one is sort of like pretty famous, like, because you can walk behind it. Like, can I say like? Oh, that's a powerful one. Can I film the whole thing? No.
we go.
What do you think of that then?
Quite a nice one.
You got your shot?
Yeah. We're at last place you stood under a waterfall.
Iceland
Yep.
or Ingleton? Right.
Excellent.
Stop.
Right,
Can you
stop.
see it?
Now to get wet, to get the self in. You need to get an inch in it. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's good, that. Eh! I'm trying to keep me blooming thing.
What do you want me to do?
Ah.
I can't keep the stick out of you.
Oh, you're a hoot. That'll do. Just pulled in. Because as you can hear, oh, the waterfall. Is it worth it? Whoa! It's all spraying all over me. Oh, what a beauty! It's gorgeous, Phil, it's gorgeous.
Nice, isn't it?
Is it your favourite?
It's one of them, yeah.
Guess what?
What?
Guess what?
What?
Guess what?
What?
We found another waterfall! Another leaky mountain, yeah. It's quite stepped, that one. What's, this one begins with T and ends in Fossen.
So we're coming down through this wilderness and we come across all this weird stuff like waterfalls, leaking mountains all over the place.
Are you getting out, love? Oh, yeah. Oh, right. Okay. I'll wait here for you then. 'Cause it started raining again. Oh, I've spotted another waterfall over there. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. What?
I saw a flip-flop the other day on its own. I found the other one today.
Oh, we're catching this ferry?
Not that ferry.
Oh, why not?
Can't catch that one there.
What? That little boat there?
Yeah, yeah. I'll get that one.
I bet you'd rather be on that one than all.
Would. Okay.
So you don't fancy it?
I don't fancy a cruise, no.
No.
No. Not on them ships anyway.
No. They haven't seen what we've seen, have they? That's for sure.
We haven't seen what they've seen.
No, that's true. The only upside of that is somebody makes salt food for you. So it's a proper holiday for women. I can see why women do it. So that's David studying it and scratching his head. Studying the sculpture. What is it? She's gone round to the back end. What's up with her? You can tell what it is. It's a woman's body, I think. And I
Could be
think.
a hand as well.
Oh, ah, yeah. And it's an eye, teeth, and lips. It's got no neck, no head. What is that saying? Do you think that's the thumb sticking out and a hand at the back?
Could be.
Yeah, we haven't been round back of it. Right, we're ready to go?
Yeah. Yes, please.
Where are we going today, Phil? So we've
I
left
don't know.
Sognadell,
We're going to Jognadell or something.
and I've obviously not pronounced it right.
Vagna something.
Vagamore.
Vagamore.
We're going to Vagamore.
Touch it, that's it.
See, everybody does something different at
What
it,
is
don't
it?
they?
Don't know. but I'm going to touch it.
I'm going to take a picture.
Don't do anything. Don't do anything.
It did something.
He's talking to her now.
She's listening to it. Oh well. We should have gone and touched her. I just love watching these cloud formations. And over in that valley, you can see they just like roll in. So like on this one here, they're just like rolling in onto the hill. Great to watch. Not bothered that it's raining. We're not bothered, are we?
No.
That it's raining?
No. No, I've got all this sticky tape.
Sticky tape?
I've got all the sticky tape on the roof to stop it from leaking. So I'm alright.
Yeah. Yeah, certainly have. Just pulled in for a little look of where we've just come from. I think it's a pretty impressive. Thought I'd just take a little walk onto this precipice. So everybody else seemed to be going down here. Ooh. So that's the road we have just come up. I thought it was a bit windy. Look at that. And we've just come from down in the bottom. That must be another road that goes over. Unless we're going like that. I don't know. It's not easy to work out. But we've definitely come from down in the bottom there. There must have been a turning. And then the river goes all the way up. There's just valleys everywhere. We were just in time to see that glacier because what's left of it, there's clouds coming down and I think he's going to chuck it down. So I'm going to go back up to my van. Second gear going up there. Well, we got into third once. Right, let's go have some lunch. Need to do some more shopping. Keep eating stuff and running out of food. Go to the I've got my big store cupboard in the garage, which consists of a crate and 3 bags of dried food, tea bags, coffee, cereal, all that type of stuff. And then all we have to buy is the meat and veg because it's très expensive in Norway. Right, bye for now. So we leave the blue-green waters of Vagamo, where we've just been filming. And in the next clip we head up to a place called Sandnesjøen. Phil will write it in because it's very tricky to say these words. We travel up through the longest valley in Norway. We get lost in some woods and it ends up being a very long walk. Did it rain as well? A very wet, long walk. And we tried to find the van, which was a bit tricky. We lose 2 more waterfalls, but find a fantastic one. Would you say it's the best yet? Certainly the noisiest. And we visit the Peter Das Church. We'll explain who he is in the next video. Till then, bye for now.